What is up guys, I'm Zaim, and in this video I want to talk about how much I've spent on my Model 3 over the past 2 years. I picked up my car on June 5th, 2018. At that time, Tesla wasn't offering a lot of options, so the only thing I could order was the long-range Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. In terms of the cost breakdown, here it is. The base price of the car was $45,600. The long-range battery upgrade was $11,900, and the premium upgrade was $6,600. In terms of options, I went with the Midnight Silver Metallic color, which cost me $1,300, and I purchased Tesla's Enhanced Autopilot package for $6,600, which included things like summon, lane changes, and lane keeping. After taxes, the car cost me $83,169.35. Because I got my car before the provincial elections in Ontario, I was able to qualify for the EV rebate, which at the time was $14,000 in Ontario. I received that about 6 months after I bought my car. So with the rebate included, the total cost of my car came down to $69,169.35. In terms of insurance, it's kind of high where I live. I used to pay $192 a month for the first couple of years, and a few months ago, my premium went up to $265 a month because I got a speeding ticket and there were more claims in my area, and I had to increase the yearly mileage for my car. Overall, I've spent $5,668 on insurance on my car. Let's talk about charging. Over the past 2 years, I've driven my car about 50,000 kilometers. Most of the mileage comes from my daily commute to work, but I also took quite a bit of road trips. Over the past 2 years, I've taken 3 trips to New York City from Toronto, 1 to upstate New York, 1 to Montreal, and 1 to Saskatoon. In total, I'd say I've covered about 15,000 kilometers on the supercharger network. Tesla bills by the minute when it comes to supercharging, so your rate per minute depends on the speed of charging as well. In total, I spent $407.78 on supercharging across all my trips. Like most Tesla owners, I charge my car at home. In Ontario, we get a lower electricity rate during off-peak hours, so I've set my car to only charge during off-peak hours. In total, I've spent approximately $593 on home charging. So the total cost of charging for driving almost 50,000 kilometers is about $1,001.38. In comparison, if I drove a BMW 3 Series for the same amount of distance, I would have paid about $6,000 in gas. In terms of repairs and maintenance, there hasn't been much. I did get unlucky during my first month of ownership, and I cracked my windshield twice while driving on the highway to work. The first time, it was only a chip, which I got fixed for $100 at Speedy Glass. The second time, I got a big crack, so I had to replace my windshield, and that cost me a $500 insurance premium. Because I live in Canada and we get a decent amount of snow up here, I decided to go for winter tires. I opted for the Michelin X-Ice tires, which cost me $1,178, and I've been going to Cal Tire for seasonal tire replacement, which costs $137 each time because I didn't buy separate rims for the winter tires. In total, I've spent $551 on tire changes in 4 seasons. Let's talk about mods and accessories. I haven't made a lot of changes to my Model 3 since I got it. I had the car tinted when I got it for $250. This included the side windows and the partial rear window. At the time, most of the shops in my area were not able to do the full back window, and the only ones who could were charging about 3 times the price of partial. Apart from that, I partially wrapped the front of the car with clear wrap. That cost me $650. In hindsight, I should have got the entire front wrapped, so if I were to get a new car today, I would wrap the entire front of the car. Because of the wet conditions here, I decided to get all-season floor mats. I ended up going for the 3D Max Spider mats after doing a bit of research, and that cost me $210. So in total, the cost of the car after the rebate comes to $79,279.11 after 2 years and 4 months of ownership and 50,000 kilometers of driving. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please leave a comment if you want me to make more Tesla content, and please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it.